Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Study Island. So now we are going to see question number 13, exercise 7.2, grade 7 addition 1. Okay. So question number 13 is saying from p cube minus 4 plus 3p square take away 5p square minus 3p cube plus p minus 6. Means this term will come first and the second term will be 5p square all the time. Okay, so now we will write first p cube minus 4, or we can say 3p square, because if you will see decreasing order of the exponents, this is cube, this is square, then we can write minus 4. Okay, you need to be very careful while you are just changing the order. The sign will remain as it is. As this is positive, so wherever you are writing it will be positive only, and this is negative, it will negative only. Okay, now this term we need to write. So first 5p square we need to see. Excuse me. Minus 3p cube, like term is here, minus 3p cube, then plus p is not there, so we can write it here, minus 6 will come here. Okay, now we will subtract. Subtract, this will become positive, this will become negative, this will become positive, this will become negative. Okay, so we'll write this negative p as it is because there is no term above. Now minus 4 plus 6, it will give you plus 2. Now plus 3p square minus 5p square. So p square will as it is, minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. P cube as it is. Here we can assume it's a plus 1 here. So plus 1 plus 3 will give you plus answer. Is it clear? First we have to arrange it in the decreasing order of the exponent. Then we need to subtract by using additive inverse of the second algebraic expressions, all terms. Okay, now the next question we will see 7 plus x minus x square. So negative x square will come first, then plus x, then plus 7. No sign means it's understood it's positive. Now take away 9. 9 is here, plus x is here, plus 3x square is here, and then plus 7x cube. So plus 7x cube will come here. Now we'll take the additive inverse. All positive will become negative. So 7 minus 9 will give you minus 2. Plus x minus x, it will give you 0. We can cut it. Then minus x square minus 3x square, there is a 1. It will give you minus 4x square. And there is nothing above here. So it will come as it is, minus 7x cube. I hope this is clear. 7 minus 9, you can write 0 or nothing. You can cut like this also. Minus x square minus 3x square minus 4x square, and this is minus x 7x cube. Now the third one, it's a little tricky one. So let's see. First 1 minus, or we can write first according to the decreasing order, minus 5y square plus 1. Now we need to see these terms and we have to write below according to the like terms. So y cube, we don't have y cube, so we'll write it here, plus y cube. Then plus 7y square, we do have y square, so plus 7y square. Then plus 5, we don't have. In the first algebraic expression there is no plus 5 term, so we will write it plus 1. Okay, now we'll take the additive inverse of all the terms. This will become minus 5, again this will be cut, this plus 1 minus 1, it will become minus, first y square you can write as it is, minus 5 minus 7, so there will be addition, it will give you minus 12y square and minus y cube. So this will be your answer. I hope this is clear, guys. Thank you. Kindly like, subscribe, share and comment. Hello, back to our channel Study Island. So today we are going to solve question number 22, exercise 7.2, grade 7 addition 1. So question is, what must be added to 12x cube minus 4x square plus 3x minus 7 to make the sum x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 2. So it is like what you will add to 4 to get suppose 8. So sum is given, one of the number is given. Okay. So if we will subtract 8 or the sum minus one of the numbers, you will get the number that you need to add. The same thing we will do it here. Okay. So what we will do, we will subtract the number from the sum, means first we will write sum x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 2, and then we'll write the number that is given here. So you can get the next number or next algebraic expression. But make sure while you are writing below the like term only. And subtraction means additive inverse means all the signs should be changed. Plus 2 plus 7 will give you plus 9. Then minus 3x will give you minus 6x. Here plus 2x square plus 4x square will give you plus 6x square. And here it's 1 as it is understood. So minus 12 plus 1 will give you minus 11x cube. Okay. So when you are subtracting the number from the sum, you are getting the another algebraic expression that you need to add. Okay. So this is your answer. I hope it is clear, guys. If you have any doubt, kindly write your doubt in the comment box.